Hey guys, this is Mycah with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to be walking through a 2023 Rockwood Mini Lite 2104S. Rockwood's one of my favorites, and this travel trailer here is 22 feet 4 inches, has a dry weight of 4,977 pounds, has a large cargo capacity for the size of 1,864 pounds, and a relatively light hitch weight of 681 pounds. The exterior height on this unit is just under 11 feet at 10 feet 11 inches. And the tank sizes on this unit, you have a 54-gallon fresh, a 30-gallon black, and a 30-gallon gray. The exterior awning size on this unit is 15 foot. So the exterior of this unit here features a front automotive glass windshield, nice two-tone outside with a Azdel fiberglass. It does have some pass-through storage here, as well as the power stabilizer jacks. On this unit, it does come as an option, so make sure if you're ordering one, you do option that in. It does have that 15-foot awning that I had mentioned earlier. Every Rockwood has the location there for the hang-on griddle. Comes standard with every unit. It does have exterior TV hookups. And then moving around here to the back, we do have an outside shower and a exterior ladder as well. All right, moving inside here on the Rockwood Mini Lite 2104S. We're going to start here at the front with the Murphy bed and the sofa. So one of the cooler features that keeps this unit compact, keeps it a couple's coach, is the fact that it does have the Murphy bed. So there's no bunks in this unit, and it's real easy to set up. So all you got to do is just lift this up. And unlatch each side here. Then watch your fingers, because you will get pinched there. And that drops down just like that. It locks into place and you're good to go. Has the straps there, it keeps all the sheets on the bed. And then when you're done, real simple. Pull this little latch there, lift it up, and you're good to go again. This is a recliner here as well, so if you're not using it for a bed, you can use it as a recliner. It does have some cup holders here, so you can watch TV and hang out. There's storage on either side, some outlets, and this is going to be your autumn wood with the chocolate furniture. So this is the new colors for 2023. They changed up the tones a little bit, but still looks really good. Moving over here into the slide out. So we got your pantry here. Even in a small unit, it does have quite a bit of storage. You got your cabinets up above. This is one of the nice things about this here is it is a U-shaped dinette, so you have a little bit more sleeping space. You don't really need the space to have people sit, because it is just a couple's coach. But you do have the availability on a rainy day if you want to come in, play cards, and then that can drop down into a bed if you have grandkids that come with you every once in a while. All right, so here on the left-hand side, when you first come in the door, you're going to have all your main control panels, your breaker box, fuse panel, stuff like that. So this here, main control panel, it's going to control everything in this unit. You do have your solar controller here, so this is a 30 amp controller. It does come with one solar panel up top with the option for a second one. Going over here into the kitchen, so solid surface countertops, dual sink here. You do have an outlet there for a coffee maker, crock pot, whatever you want to use that for. Your TV's here, that is on a swivel mount, so you can actually rotate it around and have it face the bed. And everything else is pretty standard here. So you got your Furrion product, and your fridge is located here behind me. Again, 10 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge, all powered by that solar panel that's up top and batteries on the tongue of the camper. And again, we have our pantry. So another pantry, some more storage here for the smaller unit. But canned goods, food, snacks, whatever you want. All right, moving into the corner bathroom. As you can see, the shower, plenty of space in here. There is a magnet strip that runs here along the entire door, so it has a nice solid latch. You got the sink here, a little bit of storage underneath, nice little medicine cabinet. I'm 6 feet tall, and there's plenty of space in here, as you'll see on all of our shows that we do. David does a great job with that. You do have your additional storage here behind the toilet, and plenty of knee space for everybody wondering. Again, this is Mycah here at RV Wholesaler, sitting in the dinette of this Rockwood Mini Lite 2104S. If you guys have any questions, want to customize one, get one on order, or even buy the one we have here on our lot, give me a call. My number here is 937-649-5632.